How to delete Instagram search suggestions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily reset your Instagram search suggestions. So let's just get right into it. First thing you can do is simply go ahead and tap on the search icon at the bottom. And then you can head over to the search up top. Now let's say if you just search for anything, something let's say football, it will give you some suggestions over here. Well, there is no way to actually delete all of these suggestions. However, you can go ahead and reset your suggestions that you see here and contents that you see. To do that, head over to the profile icon at the bottom right. Then you can just tap on the settings or the three lines icon at the top right. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the option for your content preferences on what you see. Tap on content preferences. And after you've done that, you have the option to reset your suggested content. Tap on it. Now, if you want to do a fresh start, you can just tap on next and reset your suggestions. What it does is you'll see suggestions about the topic that may be different from what you usually see. Resets cannot be undone, but your suggestions will become more personalized again as you like, share, and interact with your content. If you're sure you want to do that, tap on next, and then you can just tap on reset suggested content down below. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.